Hello my lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time, you are very welcome. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious oven grilled croaker fish. Okay, you know how croaker fish is, it's very tasty, and I'll be showing you how I made mine. And yeah, you need to try this. Keep watching, guys. So guys, here I have 3 medium-sized croaker fish I'll be working with today, 2 of which is for a client and 1 of it is for my family. Okay, so I'm already gonna add to remove the scale behind camera because it was really like hectic, but I later got a hang of it and it became easy kind of. Okay, so I'm just trying to pat it dry with paper towel because you don't need extra liquid on the skin. So my paper towel was actually peeling off, but yeah, I made the way and I tried to do as much as I could. So once I was done with that, I took a knife and put some incision on it, just so all of the ingredients I'm about to add goes right in there. You know what I mean, right? You need this incision so your fish can be really tasty, and not just on the skin but also in the inside. So I'm just going to finish it up, and yeah, we'll be back to the video. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to rub this up with some salt just so it's tasty. You know what I mean? You want to massage your fish with some salt and seasoning powder. Okay, in addition, I use my favorite lasso fish seasoning, and yeah, this is a game changer. Like I've always said, like it's entered in and it's made all the changes, so you really want to try using this. Okay, so you're just going to add it to the skin and massage it very well. And lastly, you want to use some vegetable oil to lock that in. Like you want to lock all of those spices that you have added to the skin, you want to lock it in with some vegetable oil. So that's what I did, and then we introduce our pepper mix and then our veggies. So once you're done with that, remember all of this process is to build up a very delicious taste. So in here I have some scotch bonnet, but I added more of bawa, which is shobo. Okay, you can use you can use tatache, you can use bell peppers, but yeah, I didn't want it too hot, but I really want the colors. That was why I added more of the bawa instead of the scotch bonnet. So you can go ahead and do you. Okay, so in there I have ginger, fresh ginger, garlic, some onions, bawa and scotch bonnet. So you want to make sure you're using fresh ginger and garlic when you're making fish. Just make sure you're using fresh ginger and garlic. See, just try it and you will thank me. If you have not been using it, just try and be using it, because the way it changed the taste and everything, it's so unique. So try and use it. Okay, so I'm just trying to like bait this fish in this mixture, and yeah, just make sure everything goes in the line and everything goes in there. So that's what I'm doing, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to line it up in my foil paper, add my veggies, just watch and see how all of that goes in. Okay, and then you see the outcome. Like I said, I know you are not going to test this fish, but if you try it, you are going to really tell me you enjoyed it, because we do enjoy this and it was really nice. So do well to watch till the end so you don't miss any part at all. Okay, and if at this point you still haven't subscribed, you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please do me a favor and do all of those nice stuff, because of course I love you guys, so show me some love as well. Okay, thank you so much. All right, keep watching.